Mega love shout out once again. Welcome to Cheryl's vlog, guys. So we are still inside the council hall, guys. I just want to show you around, then you will see more what it looks like. The council hall of the ancient people from the 12th centuries. So as you can see, the walls, the ceiling, they were from the old times. They did not change or renovate any. And as you can see, this lamp stand here, I think this is very old as well, as you can see. The council hall, guys, is not that big. It's not very huge, but it's really nice to see old stuff. So even the door, they are very old. So guys, this is the dining room, a courthouse or a council room for noblemen. So this is the function of this hall. So let's go out and show you. It's not open yet. This is the ladies' quarters. So we'll wait and see if someone will come and open it so that we can see what is inside. Oh, here she is. Cosmina.
Se făceau frumoase, lucrau, povesteau. Asta se întâmplă aici.
Am înțeles. You take video or photo? Yeah, you don't want to come to take photo?
Later.
Ah, later.
Uitați frumos ca jos.
Fără mă.
Decât de lângă pe el.
Am înțeles. Eu
Poate puteți să intrați. Mulțumim. Plăcere.
să fac o nouă variantă a Castelul Corvingă. Cât e, doamna, intrarea aici? Că m-a păcălit domnul la intrarea acolo. Înainte mi-a zis domnul la security că e 31 și m-a dus la doamna, am vorbit, nu vorbeam pe mână, 35.
35.
Ah, ok.
31 a fost, cred că anul trecut.
Acum 2 ani nu era cu intrare.
30. Ba,
Era?
da, cu intrare, sunt eu de 6 ani aici și era cu intrare.
Am fost cu ea acum 3 ani, 2 ani jumate, 3.
Poate ați prins eu porțuri deschise. Ați venit într-o zi, că și, de exemplu, și acum am venit vineri.
Am înțeles.
Dar nu, e cu intrare, nu știu dacă din totdeauna, dar eu când am venit acum în 2015, era intrare.
Era intrare și tot
Și
așa.
atunci, în fiecare zi, doar că avem...
Da. Mai face, mai pune pe YouTube, știți? Și de asta... Dar o să scoată sunetul și... Dacă vreți, puteți să... Aveți Facebook, YouTube? Nu aveți?
Am Facebook.
Ah, you can give so she can watch your YouTube, huh? You can give your Facebook.
Să nu.
We cannot send you friend request.
Ne uităm mai târziu. Încerc eu să trimit. Adică încercați dumneavoastră să-mi trimiteți mie.
She will try to send, you try to send her friend request.
Yeah, I can have it.
You can switch to my...
Imediat.
Sunteți din Hunedoara, din oraș? Ah, ok. She's from this city, from Hunedoara.
Ok, care de aici, da. Că n-au fost aici.
Fisher Tower. And this one, the main tower. But we cannot go inside. But you can see how old it is. It's very old, huh? She's nice, huh? It's the Marshall Wings. This is the golden bull. Okay, I will stand here. Let's go to the golden bull. production 1446 to 1456. The chapel was built in the late Gothic style. The chapel has one nave and a small text. The columns of the So this is the chapel. It's smaller. And then there down. I think that is a grave there, the white one. This is the upper room of the church. Like the second floor of the church. This is the floor is really thick. Barbaric dress for women and children. And the shawl. Oh, very beautiful. This is for the female. This is their costume. Wow, very pretty. So beautiful.
Come here, madam.
I think I cannot see this kind of
Yeah, I see.
texture anymore nowadays. Oh la, so pretty. It's very old stuff. Many centuries ago. Wow. This is how they hung their clothes, I think. It's really beautiful. Their spoon, a wooden spoon. I think they are making their food in this part. The water and everything. We cannot go more near because they put this. That means you cannot go more closer to the stuff and touch it.
It's off.